Hi everyone, here we've got an Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and now let's simply swipe to the left in order to open the settings. As you can see in the capture settings, we've got the timer option. Let's tap on it. Now it is off, but we've got also another 3 options to choose from. You can set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, simply tap on the time you want to use, and as you can see it is immediately applied. Let's get back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on this device will count down from 10 and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option. Let's go and swipe to the left and tap on the timer again. Let's choose, for example, 5 seconds. Let's get back, shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. In order to turn off the timer, just tap on it, click on off. Let's get back and let's check. And as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.